eto, cyn I ni fynd nôl i'r stafell ddosbarth, beth am I ni weld sut oedd rhai o'r dysgwyr yn teimlo? Let's see how some of the learners were feeling.
Yeah, sut brofiad oedd Bob a Wyn wedi gael? What kind of experience had Bob and Wyn had up till now?
Ist, beth yw'r beraidd dôn yna sy'n torri drwy tawelwch cefn gwlad fel llif gadwyn?
Eyes a brew, 5 foot 2. Oh, what those 5 foot can do. Anybody see my gown? I get up very early in the morning, 5:30. Walk around the field, and it's glorious, absolutely fantastic. Hyfryd iawn. Really enjoying it.
It's so nice and warm, and the view is lovely, and it's so comfortable. Really, really lovely here.
Thoroughly enjoying lessons. I've never in my life been looking forward to lessons, never.
I've had a lifelong battle with Welsh, shall we say, and I'm really hopeful for this, because they were saying, eventually you'll just hit it. The only thing, I'm just hoping I can have my moment before the end of the course.
You can see the hill we've got to climb, but nevertheless, there's a sort of confidence building in all of us, I think, that we can sort of get to the top.
I'm not thinking of it like as a competition, because it's not really a competition. I really want to learn Welsh, because it will affect my day-to-day life. My kids are fluent, and that's why I want to do it.
It's so much fun, man, and it doesn't feel like sort of, work. It's all done through laughter and smiles, and it's a great way to learn. I just hope it continues like this. Anybody see anybody want anybody had my love? I thank you.
O, na hwyl I gael efo nhw'n doedd?
Oedd. A sôn am hwyl, nôl i'r stafell ddosbarth.
Ie, ac I dy wers di, a be well ar ôl cinio na chan fach, ynde? La la la.
Llanfaith bach Gwengell o Gerwch yn dod o Llantysilio, goch. Right, so mae'r gan, it's the first part of the song is repeated. So it goes, you know the tune, dwi'n siŵr. Mae'n mynd yn, a wyddoch chi. A wyddoch chi. Fod yn Sir Fôn. Fod yn Sir Fôn. Rhyw bentref bach. Rhyw bentref bach. Sy'n fawr ei sôn. Sy'n fawr ei sôn. The next bit we all join together. We go, ewch, cewch, weld ewch hwn, sef llanfaith gwingil, gwgerddach, wyddoch and Dysgu, go. Right, well, the first time you do that, it tends to be mumble, go. So you can actually just go up the go. So let's do that llanfaith pwll gwingil together. Llanfaith pwll gwingil, go geredd, chwindro, Llantysilio, go. Now, so it's the rhythm. Llanfaith pwll gwingil, go geredd, chwindro, Llantysilio, go. Go. Da iawn, okay. Nawr ni fynd o'r top eto, a wedyn ni'n rhannu chi ar y canol. A wyddoch chi. Fod yn Sir Fôn. Fod yn Sir Fôn. Rhyw bentref bach. Rhyw bentref bach. Sy'n fawr ei sôn. Sy'n fawr ei sôn. Ac os ewch sef llanfaith pwll gwingell, go geredd, chwindro, Llantysilio, go. Ar ddechrau, siw sbeth yw lawr y canol. 1, 2, 3, 4 ar ochr yma. 1, 2, 3, 4 ar ochr yma. So beth nawn ni ddeud, gewch chi ddechrau, and then you can do the second line. So we'll start off with an... So ddech chi mynd... Sir Fôn, rhyw bentref bach, sy'n fawr ei sôn, ac os ewch gwingil, go geredd, chwindro, Llantysilio, go. felly. All right. Neu ddod pitch on.
No, I took it up an octave just to put them off.
Right, newn ni neud ffwrdd ar tro yma, chi'n pitcho. Chi sy'n pitcho, right? Dwi'n pitch it ar eich lefel chi. Right, give it then. Dwi'n lomad. No.
Everybody sing different notes. Bing, bing, bong, bing, bong, bing, bang. Now pick the notes.
That's right. That's what I'm going to do. On for the wet fish, but there we are. Mae'n bwysig iawn. I mean, it's not only important to learn a language, it's also important I wybod how you learn a language so that you're actually in tune with what actually goes on with the process. Ac, os dyma pyramid, this is the iceberg. That's the tip of the iceberg. The tip of the iceberg is your ability to produce language, to come out with language. The bottom of the iceberg is your ability to comprehend language. There are many, many people out there who can understand Welsh, but don't actually come out and speak it. Tons and tons of people, actually. You'd be surprised that so many people can actually sing Welsh hymns. Dechrau canol, very popular, even people who don't speak Welsh. But there are levels, even on your subconscious comprehension of a language. There is some stuff which is just below the threshold. And somebody says, like, what's the Welsh word for? And you think, just on the tip of my tongue, I know that. And then there are other things which are below there, and people say, what's the Welsh word for that? And they say, oh, no, I have no idea. No, I don't know that, no. But if you say, well, no, just guess. Just guess. And they go, and they're right. Because if you just guess, what happens is something which you not really think you know, but if you try, you won't get it. But if you just let it happen, 60-70% of the time, you'll be right. Okay, so there is those levels of comprehension. So the production bit is always the icing on the cake. But the first thing is, it's like anything. If people don't have a solid base, they're easy to push over. If your legs look this and something pushes you on the side, dych chi'n syrthio drosodd. If your legs are open, wide and strong and something tries to push you, you're solid. And the same thing with iaith. You need a big base. You need your comprehension.
Felly, Iona, ti'n siarad yma am levels of comprehension. Ac mae'n wir yng Nghymru, in Wales, mae lot fawr o bobl yn deall Cymraeg, they understand, ond dyn nhw ddim yn siarad Cymraeg. Ond mae hynna'n beth da, achos mae'n bwysig, mae'n gam cynta pwysig, an important first step, yn dydi?
Pwysig iawn, pwysig iawn. Pan ydych chi'n dysgu iaith, when you're learning a language, comprehension does always precede production. You learn to understand before you learn to speak. And we should look upon comprehension as an achievement, not as a failed achievement, but something which you have succeeded to. Dych chi'n gallu deall, because your ability to siarad Cymraeg is built upon your ability to deall Cymraeg in the first place.
Yn union. Reit, wel, diolch I chi am gadw cwmni I ni heddiw. Dyn ni wedi mwynhau, yn dydan?
Do, yn fawr iawn.
Dewch nôl yr wythnos nesa am fwy o hwyl yng Gwersi Cariad at Iaith.